Damn, bro. It ain't even cold out there, today. What's up, YouTube? What is good, man? Thank you for coming back to another video. Today we got a little vlog. Gonna be chilling today. You know what I'm saying? If y'all don't already, if y'all didn't already, like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, you did, no cap. Stop so dope and like dog. Everywhere I go, I want my dog. Big money shit, nigga, get in, go. I ain't fucking with 12, I want a hoe. Get him and get it, you know how I roll. On the valet, no, not today. I gotta wait, I gotta lay. She wanna fuck, but how can I stay? Hey, vlog, I know y'all remember this song. No cap. Sean, you remember that song? Yeah. This is that hoe we dropped on the video, no cap. Y'all made a video? Nah, yeah, we made a rapper 24 hours challenge. But I was trying to see the video to it. Yeah. I watched the YouTube video. I mean, like, I thought. Oh, we didn't make no regular video. Young fly niggas, just we get back. Yeah, this is a bite, they lie.
Gotta walk in some runners cause I'm touching this meal. I'm a young rich nigga, I get to it fast. Off when I'm rocking, my drink can be loud.
Alright, y'all being Target with it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Boy just woke up not too long ago. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get some. I got the other. Gotta get some stuff, man. Do we need an extra battery for the Xbox controller?
Yeah, I was gonna buy a battery.
Gotta fuck their ass up real quick. Come on down there. Oh yeah, they all there. Yeah, we definitely gotta get some towels. Yeah. Yeah.
Black or brown?
Straight. Electronic section, that's what I need. Here go the batteries, right?
Yeah.
What is that? Damn! That motherfucker probably louder than the block rocket. Think so? JBL? How much that whole cost? They don't even say. Probably like 100. $2.99? Dang.
You wanna get that guy?
What? That for what? I don't need that. My boy Big Baller. Hey y'all, we shot a music video yesterday. Check out my man CEO Auto. You know what I'm saying, on YouTube. Music video finna drop. Y'all gonna see that, no cap. Ooh, this motherfucker. Oh, this is HDMI though. It's the same thing though.
Oh,
yeah,
USB.
I know.
Oh, you can't do HDMI?
No, I need USB. This is how it looks though. It looks just exactly like.
Yeah, it might not have it here.
Damn, how they gonna have a HDMI version? Oh, they took all of it. USB to Type-C adapter.
It might have it.
Alright, we'll see.
You need this over here?
He said he needed an Ethernet cord?
Yeah. Ain't none of these converters?
Ain't no converter over here, boy. Hold up. Oh, that boy nice as fuck. That boy nice. This is what we needed right here. This ain't open though, so we gotta get this.
Where's the Ethernet cord at?
Yeah. $10 right here. No kizzy. Now we just need an Ethernet cord. Yeah, my boy ride.
You get this $30.
$30.
This one $9.99. God. 3 feet.
Ethernet cord.
Yeah, oh, that was $8.99. That was cheaper.
Yeah, save money.
Yeah,
no cap.
Remember, kids, save your dollars.
No cap.
Save your dollars.
Save your dollars. Hey, he caught it with the quickness. Hey, y'all, we good. We finna be up. Studio vibes.
Yeah, that's
Studio vibe. What the fuck we shopping for? We shopping to buy a new house? God damn.
I'm trying to figure out. If somebody was to check our bags, they wouldn't even know.
Bro, we got batteries. We got USB adapters. We got batteries. We got USB adapters. We got tacos, turkey meat, everything.
Towels.
Get towels, pots and pans. definitely supposed to snow today. They talking about 9, 8 o'clock. And we all the way out West Bubba. Alright, y'all, we set for the night. We set for the night. No kitty cow. No cowboy. Gotta finish some scenes for the music video today. Yeah. What are they doing? Hey, bro. Oh, God. This video is finna be hard as hell. Right, y'all? On who this video not finna be hard?
This video finna be hard as fuck.
Y'all don't even know. They don't even know, bro. Y'all see this? By the time y'all see this, it's gonna be too late. It's already shot, done, and did. Just gotta edit that hoe. And we finna go up. No cap. Okay, we finna touch a mil. We finna get paid off this YouTube. You know what I'm saying? We finna touch a bag. We growing like we at one. We just hit 1.1. Finna hit 1.2 in a minute. We close. Just need a video finna get 10K. Ah! Tacos tonight. Taco Tuesday. Saturday today, man. So we ain't Taco Tuesday. Yeah. Fuck y'all gonna do that? We just gonna eat it, bro. Boy, that's endless ground beef, my nigga. That motherfucker big as hell. Dumb nigga. Dumb nigga. Nah, that's a lot of ground beef, bro. Y'all niggas gonna be eating that shit for days. Fly as hell, boy. What you gotta go shoot for? Let me see the huddle. Let me show me shoot. Do it. Oh, Slim. Oh, Slim. Where you get them from? Damn. Get them hoes from?
This came out yesterday.
Came out? What's some on your face? Doji? Oh my god, I got this nigga stunning on my ass. Let go, y'all. This shit about to go crazy. These niggas Bananas. Bonkers, nigga. Nigga, this is what we do every day. We act like this every day. No doubt. Lifestyle shit. Rockstar shit, nigga. What the? That boy cooking it up, boy. Big taco, nigga.
Is that the one right there?
Stop playing. Alright, y'all. You start with the chips, right? Once you start off with the chips, you gotta scoot that over. Gotta grab the taco. Taco, nigga. Bitch. You looking official, Slim.
Then I'm gonna put the case on top.
Alright, I'm finna get the lettuce.
Yeah, you got some plan.
There you go.
Woo!
So I'm gonna need to take it down.
Alright. I'm gonna grab that right there. I know y'all boys want something, but can't get none. No get. Yeah. Otto. My boy back now. Let's go.
Come on, let's shout to get naked. Just put a nigga in graded. He tried to play me. She don't.
Oh. What's good, y'all? Let me focus y'all up, man. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's a nice little vlog. Hey, man, before we get to the end of this video, like, before I end it off, I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe. We about to hit 1.2, y'all. We growing fast. We finna blow, y'all. So, you know what I'm saying? I already said it. Like, comment, subscribe. And let's get it, no cap.
Stop so dope, it hit like dog. Everywhere I go, I'ma walk my dog. Every day in the jungle, had a ground fall. Big money shit, nigga, get it and go. Big money shit, yeah, all I talk. I ain't fucking with 12, fucking with a hoe.